They begin life as straw figures, bound by strings into human and animal shapes. Idols of Hindu gods start coming into being. Coated with layer upon layer of cracked clay, as each layer cracks in the heat of Delhi's summer, another is smoothed on. The figures become clearer, features emerge. Faces are molded with special clay and carefully finished by craftsmen. Durga, Mahishasura. Slowly, the clay comes alive, smoothed under the loving caress of the craftsman. Individual statues are assembled into casts. Ganesh, the son of Shiva and Parvati, assumes shape for the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. Finer decorations made of molded clay are added to the main idol. These will later be painted with gold paint. The remover of obstacles gets his chariot, the mouse. He gets the attention he deserves as the finer details are painted on. His crown is glued on. Ganesh is wrapped in shiny clothes and is now ready for his puja. Soon after Ganesh Chaturthi, the team works on idols of Vishwakarma. He is the deity of creative power, the divine engineer of the universe. All this work takes place in a corner of Chittaranjan Park in New Delhi. A team of about 10 artisans comes from Calcutta. They stay in mosquito-infested tents, braving the rain and heat to make these objects of beauty. From June to October, the team makes several hundred of idols of various Hindu gods, all from memory. Some are customized to meet the quirks of clients. Like this gold-painted set of Hanuman, Ravan, Lakshman and Ram. Once Durga is ready and dressed in her brightly colored saris, the workmen apply finishing touches. The crown and cutouts. Then those who ordered her come to take her away. Durga spends the next few days in puja tents across Delhi, revered and worshipped.